question in each round. Each question has 5 points. Is that clear? Any doubts? You have 5 rounds, 3 questions in each round. Is that clear? 5 points each, every correct answer. 10 seconds for every question. And no negative marks. Listen carefully before answer the question. Clear? Are you all ready? The round 1 questions are related to India and Constitution. Is that clear? On which date did the Constitution of India came into force? On which date did the Constitution of India came into force? Option A, 15 August 1947, B, 26 January 1950, 26 November 1949, 2nd October 1950. If you know the answer, please raise your hand.
26 January 1950.
Please show us the answer. Yes, please clap your hands for me. The second question to you is, who has the authority to amend the Constitution of India? Who has the authority to amend the Constitution of India? The President alone, the Supreme Court, Parliament of India, the Prime Minister.
Parliament of India.
Clap your hands for Congress. Very good, Sanjay Krishna. My dear children, I will inform you the rules. The thing is, after I have read the question, read the option, then only you can read the bell. Is that clear? Yes, you. Who was the President of the Constituent Assembly and the first President of India? Who was the President of the Constituent Assembly and the first President of India? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Patel.
Yeah.
Dr. Rajendra Prasad.
Yes, Nagini is correct. Clap your hands for starting. In the 3 questions, and Sun has scored 10 points, Star scored 5 points. Is that clear? Yes. Can we move to second round? This round questions are related to freedom fighters and history. Are you all ready? How many women members signed the original Constitution of India? How many women members signed the original Constitution of India? 5, 10, 15, 20.
15.
10.
Who recognized and led the Indian National Army during India's freedom struggle? Who recognized, reorganized and led the Indian National Army during India's freedom struggle? Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Sardar Patel.
Subhash Chandra Bose.
Clap your hands for Kavi. Who, along with Shivram Rajguru, was directly involved in the killing of J.P. Saunders, Bhagat Singh, Mahatma Gandhi, Sukhdev alone, Jawaharlal Nehru.
Bhagat Singh.
Clap your hands for Niti. This is the right hand. The second round has ended just now. So here is Sun got 10 marks in second round. Moon got 5 marks in second round. Is that clear? Are you ready for the third round? This round is related to art, education and national pride. Are you ready? Which cave paintings depict scenes from the life and stories associated with Gautama Buddha? Which cave paintings depict scenes from the life and stories associated with Gautama Buddha? Ellora Caves, Ajanta Caves, Elephanta Caves, Udayagiri Caves.
Ajanta Caves.
Let's. 1 second.
Is the national flag hoisted every year to celebrate Independence Day? At which place is the national flag hoisted every year to celebrate Independence Day? India Gate, Red Fort, New Delhi, Rashtrapati Bhavan, Parliament House.
Red Fort, New Delhi.
Clap your hands for Bhubaneswar. Who appoints the Chief Minister of a state? Who appoints the Chief Minister of a state? The President, the Prime Minister, the Governor, the Chief Justice. The President, the Prime Minister, the Governor, the Chief Justice.
The Chief Justice.
Anybody wants to?
The Governor.
Clap your
Clap.
hands for Nandi. Now, the round 2 has ended. Yeah, round 3 has ended. Sun has 5 marks, Star has 10 marks. Are you all ready for round 4? This round question is related to Indian government. Are you all ready? What is the law-making body of India called? What is the law-making body of India called? Supreme Court, Parliament, Election Commission, MHA. Yeah.
Parliament.
Clap your hands for Kesavan. Which organ of government interprets laws? Which organ of government interprets laws? Legislature, executive, judiciary, election commission.
Judiciary.
Clap your hands for Keith Hassan. Who appoints the governor of a state? Who appoints the governor of a state? The Prime Minister, the Chief Minister, the President of India, Parliament. I repeat the question. Who appoints the India, the parliament?
The chief minister.
Try again.
The parliament.
There are no other option, only one chance.
Anybody? கொடுங்க மையண்ட கொடுங்க.
The president of India.
Clap your hands from Mahindra. We have done fourth round. And the score is 5 Sun, 5 points for Sun, and 10 points for, and 8 points for Star. This is the final round, so please be careful. It is all about India and wildlife challenge. Are you all ready? Who is the Chief Justice of India as of August 2026? Who is the Chief Justice of India as of August 2026? Justice E.J. Chandraja, Justice Sanjeev Khanna, Justice Suryana, Justice P.R. Gawai.
Justice Surya Kant.
Clap your hands for Maheshji. Second last question. Which country is home over 60% of the world's wild Asian elephant? Which country is home to over 60% of the world's wild Asian elephant? Sri Lanka, India, Thailand, Nepal.
Thailand. India.
Clap your hands for India. Last question for this quiz competition. Which day is observed as World Elephant Day? Which day is observed as World Elephant Day? 5 June, 12 August, 15 August, 2nd October.
2nd October.
Try again.
12 August.
Very good. Clap
Clap
பண்ணுங்க.
your hands from Maheshji. In this round, Stars has 10 points. 10 points. And Sun has 5 points. Star has equal points. So we have another bonus question. Which Indian city is home to the headquarters? Indian city is home to the headquarters of ISRO. Which Indian city is home to the headquarters of ISRO? Let me complete the question. This is open question for Sun and Star team alone. Is that clear? Option Chennai, Hyderabad, Mumbai, Bangalore.
Mumbai. Hyderabad.
But
For the land of rising sun. Which country is called the land of rising sun? China, Japan, Thailand, South Korea.
One.
Clap your hands for
स्टार्ट.
Please stand up, Santi. Clap your hands for Santi, who has the correct question, and even though they had the bonus mark and finally won the quiz competition, got 40 marks and got